wrapping up November here. Hope everybody had a very, very happy Thanksgiving. Um, I know ours was just amazing. We just got in, went down to Cedar Key. It's kind of been a little, oh goodness, tradition of mine and Tanya's here for the past few years. So, um, yeah, I just got back in this afternoon. This is actually a video that I wanted to do last week. Uh, I just got wrapped up and too busy. Um, I got the inspiration from this after getting my arm surgery here, and checked my mailbox after being gone for 3 days. And I think that the hard mail that I received in during that period made me realize a lot. Very similar to what's happening on Facebook. Um, so the title of this is, why does your Facebook marketing suck? And you go across the forums, and some people do really, really well on Facebook. A lot of people feel like they're just wasting a ton of money on Facebook ads, and they really are. Unfortunately, there's a whole lot of coach type people out there, um, that are selling ads, that are you know sign up with them, and they'll buy your ads. They'll do your media buy on Facebook. And um, unfortunately, not a lot of people are seeing great results from those. I think some guys do it. It's like any other market. Some markets are fantastic for Facebook. Other markets aren't that good for Facebook marketing. There's a lot of things that you can do that don't necessarily cost you money on Facebook. Those are the kind of ads that I want to get out there and do. I don't really want to go out there and compete on the ads. But anyway, let me get back to my main message on here, and I'll show you this. I just got to get rid of this damn thing for now. Okay, so while I'm out of town, I had Tanya pull all of our ads out. Um, when I was out of town for 3 or 4 days getting surgery. Um, and this isn't bills, this isn't mail, this is just the advertisements that came in. Just insane amounts of advertisements. Again, I mean, it's a stack 3 inches thick of crap in here, of direct mail pieces that are coming out. So here's what's happening. I'm a direct marketer's dream. I'm in a demographic. I'm in a demographic that my name's valuable to these people. We buy a new car every few years. I own 4 service trucks that are all paid for. We have a vacation house. We have some high limit credit cards. I mean, we're who these people want to market to. Understand? So that's why we get all of these circulars, all of these things that come into our mailbox each and every day. Like I said, this is a 3-inch thick stack of stuff. So. And some of these are big and glossy. Some of them are newspapers. Some of them are catalogs. And then compare that to your budget, to your, tiny little baby budget that us as pressure washing companies have. And we're trying to compete against a bigger company, and we run, one ad for $10 whenever you've got some of your direct competition running ads for $500. You see, you're just not getting that much exposure. Kind of like whenever you're running the Google ad out there, I'm going to go at $5 a day for that. There's guys that are spending $200 a day out there. So your $5 a day on an ad budget isn't really getting that far. So understand that. Also, whenever you're going out there and doing a targeted ad, these people that you're targeting, imagine all these were your competitors' ads. They're seeing all of those too. They're seeing all of that in their Facebook feed. They're seeing every other pressure washer's ad out there because typically you've all targeted the same person. You've targeted, over 40 years old. You've targeted, dual income, no kids, you know, income of more than $150,000. But you get my idea of where I'm going at here. You're all fighting over the same guys, so they're not only seeing just one advertisement out there whenever you're going out there and truly doing the Facebook ads. And there's a lot of people out here that have different sales programs, that have different schools, academies, whatever, and that's part of it. Is they're going to do your ads for you. They're going to help you with your ads. I think there's a lot of people losing a lot of money on ads out there. Be real careful where you start spending your ad money at. Otherwise, you're just one more piece of paper in this 3-inch stack of ads. You're just one more ad there. Also, I get ads all the time. I get ads all the time from you guys. I get ads all the time from pressure washers. You're targeting me. Why, for the love of God, would you target me? I'm not your market. There's local guys here. There's local guys here that target me. There's guys in Tampa that, I guess, because they're targeting people on their friends list. I'm not your target market. There's guys in New Jersey. They're targeting me. I'm not your market. Be real careful who you target. And I'm seeing some comments here. I want to read these. Somebody had said, I think it was Lewis Coatney. Lewis Coatney had said, he it's already gone, but he doesn't advertise a lot, but he's typically going to the groups. Exactly. You're going to the groups. Jamie Schmidt. It's about targeting. It's about content. It's about creating content on your page and then maybe boosting that post. Because you've got to have what's your USP? What's your unique selling proposition that you have out there? What is it that's making you unique from all these other ads that these guys are seeing out there? What's making you unique? Oh, let me guess, $25 off? Woohoo! You've just become a coupon shopper. You've just become that company. And now you're targeting coupon people.